What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. If you're new to my channel, this is a fragrance channel, okay? A fragrance alpha male channel. Today, I got this in the mail.
He needs some milk.
Okay, now, those guys out there who want to start a YouTube, who is very interested in making money off of YouTube, this is my first plaque, my silver plaque. This is the box that it comes in, so I want to do a proper unboxing of the whole silver plaque experience. So for when y'all get y'all plaque, I kind of ruined the surprise because I never watched one of these videos before. So right now I got the trusty, you know what I'm saying, box cutter. I'm gonna start cutting right there. That's who I know I am, right there. It's taped from the bottom as well. I wonder why dudes be like, you know what I mean, trying to hide their address and stuff. I don't know, I've never been that type. It's like, it's not that deep. Okay, we're about to open it right now. Well, it's another foam thing. Oh, okay. So look, you got a little foam thing right here. I can lay that down. Then you got a little card right here. The card says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement, and we want to experience. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was expected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award is damaged during shipping or you have any questions, please contact us at YouTube Creator Society Awards." Boop. Don't be hitting them up trying to get a free little thing. Oh, look. We got like a little nice paper from them as well. It says, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" No. No. Yes, I do. Because it was me. Your 100th? Nope. Your 1000th? Nope. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Damn, I don't. I feel so bad. It says your fans may have found you while searching up YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed there and your numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans cannot wait for you to amaze them with even more commitment and creativity. So keep on creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may have to write you and ask you, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Sincerely, Neil Mohan, head of YouTube. Wow. Thank you, Neil. Wow. Look. This is how I look, y'all. Look. Got my name, Chris the CEO, for passing 100,000 subscribers. So y'all probably gonna see this on a wall somewhere. Oh, it do? Okay. So yeah. So it does have like little hanging things where I can hang it on the wall. So I'm gonna hang it on the wall. You probably gonna see it somewhere over here. I appreciate y'all for watching my channel. I love y'all so much. Back to regular scheduled programming. We got content to make, y'all. We got fragrances to talk about. So I can celebrate this little 5 minutes. But let's get to 1,000,000.